Alright, mid-evening continues as we continue to wind down another week of January. January 16th, 2025. CN Hayes here, 2148. So I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again, along the Canadian National's Superior Submarine at milepost 350, 3.17, with another video lined up for you. Going to have a power move departure of tonight's S773, 81 of the 16th, as it will come out of Ladysmith Yard from the north side. And I got a feeling she's going to run by my position and take the South Y and then head westward from Control Point West Ladysmith to have authority on the bearing submarine from milepost 126 to milepost 110. Not sure what we have for assigned power this evening. I guess we'll have to really find out for sure. It's currently approach restricting indications right now for that. There's the Hot 198 by the 3204. Continues to thunder on its way to pass by the siding at Sheldon. And I got a feeling a northbound might be possibly there, but I don't know for sure. Momentarily, we're going to have approach indications for this power move. Let's hang tight for a few moments and see what will do the honors for tonight's northbound sand load. As this will likely head out maybe during the overnight hours. Let's just see. Stay tuned. Stay right where you are. Okay, not quite 10 minutes later. It's now 6 minutes later. The power has just came out of north end of Ladysmith Yard, and it sounds like we have a new C6M rebuild that's doing the honors to lead it. Not sure if it's the 3361 again. I have a feeling it could be. It was responsible for being in tow third on the 519 back on Wednesday, which would be yesterday, including the 2891. So I got a feeling the 3361 and 2891 is going to do the honors for tonight's 773, but I don't know if there's going to be a third unit with this. I don't really know. I'm sure we're going to find out soon enough as the power is coming my direction, and we'll head on to the Y. And westbound on to the bearing submarine to head for Source Energy Services, a warehouser, to build up their sand train. So let's check out the new 3361, as this is one of the GE CXE BNSF variants. Seeing this lead on the U723 back during the midsummer months last year. D drop. Here's the 3361. Fouled number 1 bell. Tried to go. indication was just up. And we just knocked it down. Definitely fouled on the 3361, alright. Well, it is what it is, nonetheless. Alright, now they're going to hold tight for just a couple of moments here, and then we'll have signals go up for the South Y. And hopefully be in the clear in time for a northbound to make the roll by, because I'm sure a three-way must have took place either down at Sheldon or at Lublin. Conductor's on the ground now and get ready to board the long hood of the 2091 for the shove move. Alright, the conductor is now on the long hood of the 2091 now. Signals did go up for the South Y just now. And we are now starting up again to do the protective shove onto the South Y, and then the engineer will board on the 2891 to lead it on the westbound move on the Barron Sub Main. Gate drop confirmed for Fritz and Corbett Avenue West. Lights are still on for E3361. So we're going to have that shut down to that long hood side. Same for the front. The 3361's lights will be set to the dim setting. Like a temporary pause here. As crew gets settled in to the 2091, signals did go up for the northbound on the way that came out of Sheldon after allowing the power to clear onto the South Y. You'll see that in the last video I'll have lined up for tonight. We still have to hold tight for about another couple more moments here for the restart of the 773 power move with the 2891 to lead it. It's 22:06. Full light up confirmed from the 2891. And we're going to check them out on the restart as they will head by Control Point West Ladysmith and then begin work on the Barron Submain to build up their sand terrain at Source Energy Services of Weyerhaeuser. And away they go, as expected. Goes the South Y approach indication. Not bad at all. So that's going to do it for tonight's power move departure of the S773 81 of the 16th. And we'll do it for the 2891 and the 3361. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you down the main line. See ya and haze out.